And this is closed off, but there's a little slot where you can see inside. Let me turn on my flashlight. Oh wow.
I think this might have been where the bellows were, where they...
Yep.
Maybe.
That looks so cool in there.
Don't drop your phone.
Yeah.
There's no way you're getting that out. I don't think there's any other way.
So I don't know if I got it in the last one. I just crawled through there. And so did Brett. And we are shining a light, even though don't really need a whole light, but just to give you a better look inside. And there you are.
It's about 30 feet up there.
Yeah, at least to the top.
Imagine this sucker burning. I guess it was like what, 3,000 degrees it says on that thing there?
Yeah.
Right here. And then
I'm trying to hold.
Oh, look at that shadow. That's pretty cool. I like see your shadow.
Oh, my shadow.
You know that's cool.
There you go. I'm going to make it more pronounced. Wow. I've been in the one at Topo Furnace too, but nothing like this one.
Can you go up inside like this?
Certain areas you can. Wow. That is just so amazing. And unfortunately, you have to be kind of a small person to get through that thing.
And it used to be even smaller. Somebody's digging it out.
Somebody, yeah, he said it was a lot smaller.
You might. See, I thought maybe you could get to that other place through here, but you can't.
No.
This is the space in between these.
Right. And he's crawling back out.
I should be wearing my helmet.
Yeah, I know. For this one.
All right, I'll seal it up as I leave.
Okay.
It's cool. It's a really cool view, man. I'm there with the camera. It's a really cool shot. It's open at the top. Yeah. About 30 feet straight up.
Oh, God.
I used to know down you can climb up the back of it if you're like rock climbing. Or you can use this ladder to get up there. Don't fall.
And I just, as you see me, just crawled out of there. But that was so neat to be able to look inside.
And I'm standing here.
And we got to look to the inside of that.
But I'm thinking if I can go up and attach these boards to the other end. I'm not going right now.
And there's other people here. They're doing a shoot, so I'm not going to worry too much about their shoot.
At some point, somebody busted it open.
Yeah.
Because it's cool.
I used to do stuff like that.
There's the top of it. And then here's the guide right here. There's a little bit of glare here, but it's okay. And I'll put as much information as I can gather on this. Called the Hellam Forge or the Hellam Iron Works as well. And there is a small trail, walking trail here. And you can check out behind the furnace here. A lot of black walnut. Cool. There's a strap. See, there's the strap. There's a strap down here too. I think the trail just continues or either goes back down or through the woods here, but wow. These things just have so much history. I'm trying to see if I can go. Oh wow. There's like this wall right here. And it looks like there's a trail back up here in here. And we can get a slightly better view up here. Oh wow. We got almost a clear shot to the top there. From up here. And we're parked right down there. There's a little bit of parking here. Wow. I had seen the sign on the way when we were going to our other location. To the... Yeah, it's right over there. That is neat. And like I said, other YouTubers have been here. I learned about this place from the Wandering Woodsman. So if you want to go check out his channel as well. Wow.
Yeah, there's ruins and stuff back that way too.
Yeah, oh really?
Yeah. And down by the river, down by the creek too.
Oh. We'll go back up again.
I guess there used to be a ramp that went from here across.
Yes, at one time to service the yeah, right here, because this wall right here probably allowed them to, I guess, dump the coal and everything up there. It looks like almost like a turbine of some sort.
Yeah, right there.
You said there was more ruins down this way? Follow the trail here. There's more ruins. Oh yeah, I see them.
There's one there.
There's one right here.
There's one over there too.
Oh.
Old foundations from the furnace works, you know.
Oh wow.
Maybe the furnace, the house, the guy, the furnace master.
Oh yeah. That is cool.
I haven't really explored these very much.
Yep, this is what I like.
They all come from that same era.
Off the beaten path here.
So here's the corner.
Yeah. I'm not sure how much more. He said there's more. So a little bit more up here, so. Don't have my hiking shoes on. They're in my vehicle. And we came with his.
There's probably more stuff up here. I've never even been up this spot.
Okay. Oh, okay. Thanks for letting me know that. I'm trying to see if there's anything more, but it's just so thick in here. Still too thick. We're in early fall yet, but so I'm gonna bid you adieu from here, from the Codorus Furnace here in York, or we're pretty close by Saginaw also. If you like adventures like these, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And don't forget to check out Topo Ranger's channel as well. And remember to hit the notification bell. Just remember to go create your own adventure. And I'll see you at the next location. Bye.